wọ́n fi tọmọ jẹ ni wọ́n bá ní wọ́n mú olè mẹ́wàá ní Àlímọ̀ṣọ́ local government àwọn ọmọ OPC reform làbá wọn mú mẹ́jọ nù ẹ̀ láti ń kó wọn fọlọ́pàá tọ́ bá náà mú ní Agége ọmọ OPC reform ló bá wọn mú mẹ́jọ nù ẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ ń kó fọlọ́pàá tó túmọ̀ sí pé gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe à ń tì wọ́n lẹ́yìn fi ṣe bọ̀ tọ́ bá rán wọn ṣe dé tòrutèrú káwọn náà máa fi ọpọlọ sí kọ́ máa rántí pé ilé làbọ̀ sí ní oko.
ètò wa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ayé tẹ̀ tí àwọn OPC tó lọ kọlu Síkírù tó ń fọlọ́pàá tó padà wá ju àwọn náà láti mọ́lé ojú ò lè fi wò yẹn ṣó ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tí àbí ṣó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín rí.
kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tèmi kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ọ̀dọ̀ tèmi adé sọ díẹ̀ fún yín ṣẹ́rí glory yìí tí ó bá yẹ kíyàn kan dàgbà kó má dàgbà bó ṣe mú Síkírù yẹn tí gbogbo àwọn kan jókòó síbi kan wá ní condition station kan wọ́n fẹ́ mú lọ station ṣé wọ́n á lè kó gbogbo àwọn ìwọ̀n kún ọ sátìmọ́lé gbọ̀ngbà tẹ mú Síkírù tẹ́yìn méjì kan wá yọ pẹ̀lú ọ̀gbẹ́ fọlọ́pàá ó ló yẹ kó kí wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ mọ́ kí wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ náà bọ́dẹ̀ ṣe kí wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ yẹn ó yẹ káwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ dìde lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni pé ó yẹ ìnìṣó station kí ló ṣe tẹ́bi tí wọ́n mọ́lé kí ló ṣe fún Síkírù ṣọ́pa Síkírù ni wọ́n gbà jẹ́ pé àwọn ọkọ̀ káwọ́ gbéra ó ló jẹ́ pé tí yóò bá sọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe wọ́n ní mògùn tó yẹ kán fi sí irú ò lè wáyé kò dẹ̀ lè wáyé mọ́ kò tí ẹ lè ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tèmi torí tẹ bá mú ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ méjì gbogbo àlà ń bọ̀ mi tẹ́ ti mú afẹ́mọ̀ nǹkan tó yẹ tẹ́ fi mú torí àbí ṣe ọ̀daràn so ibi tó bá yẹ kẹ́ tì wá mọ́lé fún ẹ lè tì wá mọ́lé fún à á dìde gbogbo á dìde lórí ẹ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn.
wọ́n náà ṣẹjọ́ kúlú. Yes.
My president, my name is William. I write for Times World. First, I must comment this one because it's a group of hope.
Thank you so much.
The hope of the Yoruba nation will be rekindled with the existence of this group. I want to ask just about three questions. One of them I stand as an answer. There are traitors in the political class of the Yoruba nation. They are the ones who will betray anybody, no matter what your cause stands for. What are you doing about those traitors? True, the politicians do not work alone. They still work with the rural people who believe and associate with them as members. Those ones do not even know the essence of what you're fighting. They are thinking of the next election. Whereas the OPC reformed and your group, the Yoruba Nation, is thinking of the next generation. Do you have any sensitization program to edify or change such people so that your cause can go? And three, as the OPC reform is going, or this vanguard is going, you did say earlier that you are waiting for one invitation or the other. While I was in the university, in fact, when you stood up now, you reminded me of our SUG president. That's how he used to talk. There's what we call 3 C's formula: consultation, consolidation, before confrontation. Peradventure, they don't welcome, they don't call it. And this fight, because the Otuari represents the police, the military, when we're talking of state police and whatever, or it represents everything. What will you do if you have consulted, if you have consolidated, and what will you do to achieve your aim? That would be like confrontation. What do you do? Thank you very much.
Let me start from the last question. The 3 C's. May the souls of the late Ooni of Ife, Shijuade, and the souls of late founder of OPC, Dr. Fasin, rest in peace. When this crisis between Alaafin and Ooni was so hot, I called Baba one time and I told him, Baba, I know a way of stopping these issues between the two of them. And he said what? I said, if they are invited to any occasion, just give us the go-ahead to go there and disrupt the occasion. That we don't want to see the both of them until they go back home and resolve the issue between them. And Baba said, okay. But unfortunately, not quite long, the late Ooni died. So this one that I said, that one that he didn't invite us, we didn't go. But if it should continue, we'll gate crash. In as much as the issue they want to deliberate on affects Oodua people, we will gate crash. And the moment I gate crash, nobody can stop me. Nobody. Anywhere, any occasion, any function, I gate crash, nobody can stop me from sitting down there. And I'll make my contribution as well. That is the first one. Concerning our political leaders who are still thinking about 2023 election, we all are not the same. You have a reason for doing whatever you are doing, and I have a reason for doing whatever I'm doing. So I don't usually blame people for doing whatever they are doing until I sit one-on-one with them and hear their view concerning it. So based on that, I intend to write to some of the leaders for one-on-one meeting to hear their view concerning what is on ground. Then I will know what to do. That is number 2. Then the third one, about the traitors, the betrayer among us. Out of Jesus' disciples, they are just 12. We have Judas among them. So the Judas is just a minority among the 12 tribes. So the minority doesn't even matter to us. They can never distract us from whatever we are doing. We will remain focused, and focus shall we be to achieve our goal. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Any question? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
À ń fi àkókò yìí.